Now more than ever is a great time to optimize your Wi-Fi. With so many people now working from home and potentially multiple people and children streaming everything online, you want to get the best signal possible. Should you upgrade to a new router, or are there ways to get more out of your existing equipment? Here's our guide on how to boost your Wi-Fi signal. Routers are not always the most attractive looking home equipment, and most times they are not, but it's important not to lock them away in a closet or an obscure location. Wi-Fi routers send out signals in an omnidirectional manner. However, like talking or shouting, walls, objects, and overall distance will all adversely affect signal strength. Try to position your router within an open, central location in your house, away from walls and other dense objects that might obstruct the signal from reaching the far corners of your living room and other parts of your home. Manufacturers are always rolling out new improvements and stability upgrades via firmware and driver updates. They might not be as frequent as Apple's refresh of its iPhone lineup, but they often will smooth and improve your overall router performance, occasionally helping boost the Wi-Fi signal in the process. Keep an eye out for updates on your device manufacturer's website or anywhere else you might go to download maintenance updates. Adding a repeater or extender is a nice way to daisy chain your Wi-Fi signal without adding any additional wiring that seems to only get in the way. There are plenty of affordable options on the market. We personally recommend the Amped Wireless SR300 for $90 or the Hawking HW-REN1 for $55, but the setup process can be a bit complicated depending on the model. Regardless, the repeater should be placed on the fringes of your router's Wi-Fi signal between the router and the area you're attempting to extend the signal to. Securing your wireless network should be a must regardless of if you're trying to boost your Wi-Fi signal or just trying to maintain your security. If unsecured, your Wi-Fi signal is a susceptible hole in your network security that allows unwanted poachers to infiltrate and use your bandwidth at their own digression. They may not cause any irreparable harm or wreak major havoc on your network, but keeping them out is just another step toward maintaining and boosting your signal. Take a closer look at our article on how to secure a wireless network if you really want to get down to the nitty-gritty of it all. When all else fails, consider purchasing a new router altogether. Sometimes technology either wears out or is just plain outdated. New beam-forming routers offer faster speeds and stronger connections. You're going to want to make sure the new router is still compatible with your other hardware, but a simple equipment upgrade will likely increase your signal stability and overall connection speeds at further distances. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you want more information, head on over to digitaltrends.com.